Here's how to access your old Gmail account. So follow the steps. First, you need to go to the Gmail login page, open gmail.com or the Gmail application and enter your old email address. Then tap on Next from the bottom. Click on Forgot Password, which is beside the next option. When prompted for your password, select Forgot Password, and this will start the Google's identity verification process. Now, Google will give you the option to recover your account. When you're inside in the account recovery page, you need to enter the email or the phone number that is associated with your account and tap on Next. Now enter your password. You can enter any password you remember, even if you're not sure it's correct. This helps Google verify that you own the account. If you're unsure, tap on Try Another Way, and you can verify using the recovery phone number, recovery email address, security question, or device verification using the same phone or location you previously used. Use the same phone, browser, and location you used when you created the account for a higher chance for a successful verification. And once done, it will give you the option to update password or just simply continue. Tap on Update Password and create a new password for your account and enter the same password in the next field to confirm. Then tap on Save Password. You can also choose to skip this option and you'll be instantly logged in to your account. And here you can add your recovery email or phone number so that you do not lose your account once again. And if automatic verification fails, Google might display the message that we need time to verify it's you. Wait for 24 to 72 hours, and Google will then send a recovery link to your recovery email address. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.